Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Claude AI to write a book like a professional in 2026. Whether you're planning to write a novel, non-fiction book, self-help guide, business book, an ebook, or educational resources, Claude can help you brainstorm your ideas, create an outline, develop chapters, improve your writing, and then streamline the entire publishing process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Claude AI to go from a simple idea to a completed manuscript. All right, so first things first, what is Claude AI? Claude AI is an AI assistant that can help with writing, brainstorming, editing, researching, outlining, and content development. Basically, for authors, it can act as a writing partner throughout the entire book creation process. So, Claude can help you with your book ideas, research, outlines, chapter writing, editing, proofreading, publishing, and also preparations to write. How do you go about turning Claude into your book assistant? By first choosing your book topic. So every book starts with an idea. Before asking Claude to write anything, you have to decide what type of book you want to create. So if you're going to be going for self-help books, business books, personal development, novels, fantasy stories, educational guides, marketing books, or technological books, the more specific your niche, the easier it is to become a focus book writer. So basically, you just need to know what you want to create and then ask Claude to help out. So for this, I'm going to be prompting Claude. And before then, please make sure you have an account on Claude. If you do not, it's going to prove difficult to stay consistent with it. So all you need to do now is simply make use of the prompt box. So just go ahead and type this in. I went with generate 20 book ideas about productivity and personal development and just hit on enter. As I said earlier, the more specific your niche, the easier it is the easier it is to actually get something out of Claude. All right, so we're going to be going into our next step, which is researching your topic. So once you've selected a topic out of the 20 book ideas about productivity and personal development, you could just simply select a topic from there and gather information concerning that topic. Claude can help you organize information into a structure that's easier to work with. Claude is really that good and really helpful. So once it brainstorms and it provides the answers, you could just simply tell Claude to explain the key concepts readers should understand about productivity and time management. That's basically what you can tell Claude. And it has provided us with some books here. So we have the 5 hour work block, how to unlearn to outperform, morning architecture, the inbox is not a to do list, slow thinking, fast results, build one's run forever, stack and stick, board on purpose, 10-minute decision, and much more. So it gets up all the way to 20. So we could just go with any of these ones. So it has picked up few books. So we can now say explain the key concept readers should understand about productivity and time management for number 11. So I went with a random number and just hit on enter. All right, and it's going to begin, processing the key concepts. And then you can now go ahead to create a professional book from this. Before you begin writing your chapters, you need to create a dedicated outline first. So we're going to be creating a professional book outline. You could start by telling, Claude to create a complete book outline for a productivity book with maybe 6 chapters or 5 chapters at most. A strong outline helps maintain flow, consistency, and readability throughout the book. So this is what it went with for the key concepts. And now we can just simply enter this prompt I mentioned and called out earlier. So all you need to do is just in the prompt bar, go ahead and type this in. And once you've typed this in, just go ahead and hit enter and it's going to begin working. All right, so the next step is writing your first chapter. To write the first chapter of your productivity book, you could ask Claude to use an engaging and professional tone. Rather than creating or generating an entire book at once, focus on one chapter at a time. That is how you can get the most out of Claude, and that is how you can make the most out of artificial intelligence. All right, so the next step after that is building your chapters systematically. So continue developing your manuscript chapter by chapter. This approach gives you more control over your quality and structure. And then develop characters and stories. So if you're writing fiction, Claude can help you develop your characters and some plots. You could also include some plot twists as well. Claude can help you maintain consistency throughout your whole story as far as you give it the necessary instructions or prompts, because that is what prompts are. They're instructions that the AI can follow. All right, and then last but not least, you could just simply edit and proofread. So once your draft is complete, it's time to edit it. So editing is where a rough draft becomes a published manuscript. And then you can now create your book extras. A professional book includes more than just chapters. You could have extras that can improve your book's presentation and marketability. After that, you can prepare for publishing. Once your manuscript is complete, you can use Claude to prepare for publishing. Claude can assist with launch planning and book promotions. And that's it, guys. It's that easy to get a book up and running. All you need to do is just use the prompt box here. Simply give or tell Claude what you want, and we'll go ahead to start creating your content for you. And you can just simply upload this into a platform like eBay or any other platforms that is responsible for scaling massively for books or sales of books. All right, guys, and that's it. So, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.